We're back here again. Hey guys, I'm back, and it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but today I bought something that we're gonna unbox, and it's a Raspberry Pi 4.
It's not fair, I want it!
Not only we're gonna do an unboxing, we're gonna do a setup since it comes with a fan. It comes with heat sinks. It also comes with a case, the motherboard, 2 HDMI cables. We're gonna set that up. The whole thing to make a computer. What is this? I don't know. I can't read it. What is it? Power source? Yep. The SD memory case. Oops. Case. The motherboard. Ooh, okay, the tiny fan, so small, and the power on and off cable. So we're gonna set all this up. That's pretty much it. What is this? Quick guide. How to set things up. Throw it to the side. So now I'm just looking for the motherboard. Here it is. I'm just gonna open it. See how it looks. Little motherboard. I think it says it's like the size of a credit card. I think it's tiny.
Go on, say little. I dare you.
You're little!
Just let it go, Ed. These people are being nice to let us.
So now, the case. What is this? A micro SD card reader. The case. And here's the case. It's nice glossy black. You can see it reflect the light. Oh, it came out pretty easy. This is where you put the fan. So I'm gonna just put the fan. Here it is. So I guess one of the things we need to figure out is, do we want air going in or air going out? Doesn't show the plugs, so we're gonna have to decide. I'm gonna just do put air in. I'm gonna use a little force. There's like little 3 pins popping out and 4 holes on the fan, just so it get hold. So you go through those clips. Just press down, and it should be stuck. Yep, it should be stuck. So these cables, I believe we connect them to the motherboard, the pink and the black. I'm pretty sure black is ground and pink is voltage or power. The case, we're gonna put the motherboard in there just in case. I don't want to shock it. So here's the motherboard. Just hold it from this side. We just slide it in. Hopefully we don't wait. Hold up. Hold up. This is how you want to do it. I'm gonna break my Raspberry Pi. Now that you took off the bottom part, so we can just place the motherboard on top of the bottom. Okay, so once you place it, you want to push up. You push up. I'm gonna break this thing. There we go. I'm just playing with it, pushing it. Now we're gonna put the middle case on top of this, and should click in there. So there's the motherboard in the case. I probably should have done it first, but we're gonna place the heat sinks into the chips. You see the chips? Oh, yes, they came off. Come on. Alright. So backtracking, we're gonna put the heat sinks in the chips. The 3 we have to use the heat sinks on, which will be the CPU, USB 3 controller will be this one, and the SD RAM. I'm gonna start with the CPU one first, the large square, and we're just gonna stick it onto the CPU. Oh, this is super sticky. There's the first one. Now the second one is the rectangle. You have to be really accurate when you put them on. Once you press onto them, it's pretty hard to take off. Does not want to let go of the blue. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It's a little tough. That was sticking to the blue protector. Now we're working with limited space to put the rectangle one since the CPU's there. Might want to change the way you place them. Here we go. We placed it. I recommend putting the CPU last. Not a lot of room once you have that big square one. But now we're gonna do the tiny USB 3 controller. It's so small. I feel like this one's gonna be the most difficult one. So I should be just press it down. Not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, so that should be it for the heat sinks. We could put the middle case on top. We should be fine. But now we need to figure out where to connect these. We're gonna have to put it on pin 4 for the 5 volts and pin 6 for ground. Find those pins on the motherboard. So 4 and 6 should be the second and third pin on the top row. So it should be this one, this second and third pin. I don't think there's a specific way to. Then the ground should be on the pin next to it. And now we're just gonna close the case. There it is. We just close the case. So we just need to connect it to the power now and see if the fan works. And we're gonna connect it to the monitor, see if it turns on and everything. We're gonna need it to install the micro SD memory. That's pre-installed with Raspbian. Just got this with my ninja knife. Here it is. Place this. It's gonna be on the back and the bottom part. What direction? I have no idea, so I'm gonna do it this way. It doesn't say how to. Nope, the other way. Backwards. Press it in. Oh, okay. So you just place it this way.
Please, do not push the button. You have no idea what it.
And press it down. So now we're just gonna power it on and see what it does. To power it on, we need to unbox the power brick, which I forgot. So we just unbox it. So this is what you'll see. Nothing else in here. Oh, it's big. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna be this big. Look at this. It's huge. This is powered by USB-C, Raspberry Pi 4. Came with the on and off switch, so we just connect it to there.
Pika.
It's also known as electric mouse. It's usually shy, but can sometimes have an electrifying personality.
I see what you mean.
Clips right in, and from this power, we're just gonna connect it to the Raspberry Pi, and we'll be able to turn it off and turn it on with the clicker. The display, it uses micro HDMI to an HDMI port. It comes with 2 cables, but we're just gonna use one. We're just gonna set that up and turn it on, see if it works. And see if I put the fan right. I want it to go in. I want the air to go in, not out. Figure that we'll find out if I placed it right or wrong. I was able to set it right there, so we're just gonna turn it on. Little thing should start glowing. I don't have a keyboard or a mouse connected to it right now, but we just want to see what it does when it's on. So we get this weird rainbow color. Oh, it's backwards. My monitor is on the vertical way. But there it goes. Now, the fan does make a weird noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Kind of loud. Yeah, it's on the right way. So you want the label to be facing you when you place the fan. Then it should be an intake. Maybe it's just loud since it's like the initial boot up, and after the fan should go down. I want you need to connect the keyboard and set everything up. Yeah, that's the whole video of us unboxing and setting up the Raspberry. I'm not gonna use the pre-installed OS, so I'm gonna just wipe the SD and download Kali Linux. See if we can do that. Next video, we'll install Kali Linux. Thanks for watching.